Here is how to use the Kanban View in Monday.com step by step. Start by signing in to your Monday.com account. Enter your account details on the login page and wait for your workspace to load. Once you are in, you will be looking at your main workspace area where your boards and views are available. If your account opens on a home or dashboard screen, stay there only long enough to find the board you want to work with. Next, open the board where you want to use the Kanban view. This should be the board that contains the items you want to organize as cards. Click into the board and let it fully load so you can see the current table view and the tabs across the top. The board needs to be open before you can add or switch to another view. With the board open, move to the area next to the main table tab. You will see a plus button there. Click that plus button to add a new view to the board. A menu will appear with the available view options. From that menu, select Kanban. This adds a Kanban view based on the items already in your board, rather than creating a separate board or moving your data somewhere else. After you select Kanban, look for the New Kanban tab among your board views. Click the Kanban tab to switch from the table layout to the Kanban layout. If it takes a moment to load, wait briefly and stay on the board. Once the view opens, the same board items will now appear in a card format. At this point, your items are displayed as cards grouped by their status values. Each column represents a different status, and each card represents one item from the board. This means you can scan the board by workflow stage instead of reading through rows in the main table. If a status column has multiple items, they will appear stacked within that column as separate cards. To update an item, drag a card from its current column and drop it into another column. When you move the card, Monday.com updates that item's status to match the column where you placed it. This is the main action that makes the Kanban view useful for tracking progress visually. Make sure you drop the card into the correct status column before moving on, since the status change happens as part of the move. If you need to adjust several items, repeat the same drag and drop action for each card that needs a new status. You are still working with the same board data, just in a different view that organizes the items as columns and cards instead of rows and cells. Your Monday.com board is now set up in Kanban view, with items displayed as cards that you can move between status columns.